Okay, hello everyone. This is the third time I'm recording this, and I'm not going to take it apart again and re-repair it just to show you guys, because now I'm just completely pissed off at OBS Streamlabs. So basically, I'll give you the cliff notes of this. What I did was, this came in. This is a Yorkville AP800 amplifier. Customer said he used it one day, he turned it on, it made a very, like a humming noise, and then he saw smoke. Turn it off. He opened it up to take a look, and basically on the inside here, there is a resistor down there, which I will try to zoom into here. There it is there, R17, that was smoked. So he replaced it, thinking that that would fix it. When he turned it back on again, it did the same thing. And before it could fry the resistor, he turned it off and sent it to me. So I had to troubleshoot this. Now, when I first did this unit this morning, I was recording. I made a 40-minute video of going through all the troubleshooting steps. So basically, I was such a good video too. And then when I stopped it, it was like 900 meg for a 40-minute video. I knew something wasn't right. And of course, I try to play it and I get an error. So I did the video again, and I kind of shortened it up, and I explained that I had already done it and the video didn't work. And then that video didn't work. So I was like, what the hell is going on? So I had to check OBS. Turned out rebooting my computer fixed it. No problem. So now, hopefully this is recording, because if this not recording, I'm not doing it again. Just to let you guys know what the troubleshooting process was, that resistor that was fried down there, that's connected to the negative side of the 16-volt rail. Oh, hi, Kitty. Onyx wants to say hi. Yeah, hi. So I backtracked it here to this header. Now, if I take this header off, these two pins on the very left-hand side, that's negative and positive respectively, of the 16-volt rail, they were shorted together. So what I did is I took a quick look around on the board, the main amplifier board. I didn't see anything overly wrong. But what I did do is I checked this. When I unplugged this cable, the short here went away. Now this cable goes all the way here to the front of the volume cord, or to the front of the volume control board. And on this board, when I took it off and checked it, there was two connections on this where the header for this cable is. They were shorted. So I had to resort to the schematic to see where those two connections went. Easiest thing to do is I checked all the components on this volume control board, and everything looked fine. All the resistors, capacitors, so on and so forth. It's got transistors, they all look fine, no signs of visible damage. They all measured up fine. Well, I didn't measure all the resistors and stuff, but the transistors I checked, and the electrolytic capacitors that were there, I checked, and they all measured fine. So the one thing that was suspicious to me was there's a dual op amp IC on there. I took that op amp off, and the short cleared up. So I put a new op amp on, and it worked. The whole machine worked. There was no smoke, there was no humming, it just worked as it should. So I just got the parts in from DigiKey, and that's when I made the second video of me saying that, you know, everything didn't work. So here's the video again. I just explained what I did, and I soldered the chip on, and then that video went, you know, down the pisser. So here I am a third time, cliff notes, and yeah, it works now. So I'm going to clean it up, blow it out, and shine her up on the outside, get rid of some dust around this, just like in here, this dust and stuff like that. I just like to clean things up before I give them back to the clients, make the unit look as nice and new as possible. But yeah, a little bit of an easy fix. I was kind of hoping to show you guys how I go through my method of troubleshooting, looking at schematics. And so next time I get a unit in that's a little bit of a tricky fix, that's not something like a cold solder joint or something, I'll share it with you. But for now, that's it. This Yorkville is good to go. And for giggles here, I'll go 3, 2, 1. I know it's not going to blow up, but don't blow up. Protect light should go out. There it goes. So unit's good to go, fixed, and the customer will be happy. So sorry about the lack of content for this video, just a brief show around and what I did to fix it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and I'll be back next time. Thanks for watching.